Morning, friends. Today we'll discuss about how to register in Passport Seva Kendra online. First, you go to Google Chrome, type passport application. You will see that the link of passport size, Passport Seva, will be displayed. Click on that link. Then the main page will be displayed. Passport Seva. In the left side, you can see that there are four options. That is new user registration, existing user login. If we have the login, we can directly do through existing user login, and the availability of the check availability of appointment and track application status. These are the main four options you will see in the Passport Seva main page. Today we will discuss how to register in Passport Seva. That is, first we go to new user registration. Click on that. Then user registration page will be displayed. Here you can see there are a number of options. We have to fill that complete options. The capture code. Then click register. Click on register button. Registration confirmation will be sent to your email ID. You will get the information. Thank you for registration on the Passport Seva portal. The activate your account. You just click on the link which email has been sent to you, which registered email link has been sent. You go to that link. You click on that link. Automatically the registration will be completed. Enter your user ID. Click on submit button. Now your account has been successfully activated. This information will be displayed. After that, you see whether the login has been done or not. You just verify that. Click here to login. Click on that button. Then enter your login ID. Enter your password. Enter the capture code. Login. Click on login button. Yeah. Now it is clearly seen that have been logged Passport Seva Kendra. Like this, we can register in Passport Seva app. Thank you for watching this video.
Prove it, never listen to the no's. I just wanna keep moving, keep my head up when I